Can't be a weenie with this kind of shit.
This right here is Clayton's bicycle. He rides this when his 6.0 breaks down. This is what he be riding. Isn't that right?
What?
Dude, this thing, yo.
No, you're not forklift certified.
Look at this thing. You might as well just throw that right in the strap hopper.
Hey, am I good over there, boy? Am I good?
Lift it up. You don't even know how to use this thing.
Yo, I'm not sure if it'll lift it.
Probably not. I mean, we're gonna need a way bigger machine than this. This is not even gonna lift this up. Yo, we got water coming out up here.
Water?
Coming out of the motor.
Oh, out of the motor. You guys haven't seen this whole cow move in a couple minutes.
Put it at 2-speed. Nah, don't be clicking that. Stop clicking. Hey, rev it up, Terry. Stop clicking.
Hey, oh shit, oh shit. We got that fluid coming out.
As y'all notice, y'all haven't seen this damn thing in years. Tires, bird shit all over them.
Leaf springs.
Bird shit all over them.
Yeah, we're ripping all this off today.
Yo!
You see, the reason being, look at this.
Because it's just a 6.0, it was never designed right.
No,
from the
we're taking
factory.
the axles off of this thing. Right here, you see this? It's a broken leaf spring. So now we are gonna pull out all the axles, front and rear, because the tires are bald and the shocks are blown.
Talking about these shocks are perfect. Whoa, why is there oil on them?
They're blown out.
I'd get some jack stands underneath this thing.
Oh yes, they will.
Yeah, they will. It'll drop right on you. Go get some jack stands and sit on the rear hitch.
You think these will do? I don't think they're tall enough.
No, they'll go way up. See, we're putting bags on this move.
Yeah, okay, he's got his project in here. We might have to show you all this damn thing. Get a little mockery up in here. Get her done. Little bags on this thing. Put a 6.7 coming. So that'll be an interesting build. We might have to do some YouTube videos on that, eh?
Maybe. Raise it up. Hey, these are rated for 6 tunes. These wouldn't even hold your grandma on.
Sit it down.
Yeah, how is she gonna put it on the jack stands? Don't be jumping up in there. Jumping is prohibited. Yo, too fast. Just set it down. Yeah, it ain't gonna work anyway. Now what do we do?
All right, so we got ourselves a more OSHA approved jack stand here. Pick her up, bring her on up front. Yo, don't tear it up. Yo. What the hell you doing? Pick her up. Pick it up. Hold on. All right, now we got both of them here going. Hey, lift it up a little bit. Oh, easy, son. What we got? That'll do? Maybe. All right, here we go. This is what we come up with. Drop it down right in here. Boom, that ain't going nowhere. Hey, give it a little shake test. We'll give it a shake test. Yeah, I don't think that'll go nowhere. Hurricane come through here, this thing ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Step 1, start cutting shit.
What do you mean it don't fit? It's a D-wall blade. Do you not know how to use the Sawzall?
It's fucked up.
Put the blade in the Sawzall and shut your mouth. Oh my gosh, give me the thing. Give me that thing.
This blade is defective.
Why would you pull it out?
It was locked.
Dude, hurry up, quick
Oh
cut.
my gosh. Yeah, we figured it's not gonna be very, not gonna be on there very tight if it's a liquid, so you better be careful. I'd get your head out of there.
Dude, it's not gonna cut right now.
Oh, it will. It's gonna cut it immediately.
Dude, it's a torch! Yeah, heat it up first. You obviously never use one of these.
Yeah, I know that's the hell I'm doing. Make sure you
Yeah,
never
obviously you don't. You use 3 Sawzall blades, cut 1 bolt.
No, I cut 2.
Yeah, okay.
Told you. What'd I say, young man? So instead of using 1,500 Sawzall blades, we're just gonna take 2 seconds to cut these off here. All right, you know how to use that thing?
No, not really.
Yo, what? That's my brake line. Yo.
My bad, bro.
Yo. There you did.
My bad.
Yes. Yes.
Dude, it's just shrinking it. You see that?
Yo!
It just shrunk it.
It just
I didn't
shrunk
even cut it.
You didn't even cut it.
No, I just shrunk. See, look at it.
You didn't even
it's
cut.
It's like a little nub.
Just looks like my finger.
It like literally shrunk in half.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I wouldn't trust them on the road.
Hell no. So we're replacing them, making it road worthy. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. That literally took 2 seconds.
Literally. Yeah, and you use 15 salsa blades.
In about 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Axle just pull right out now.
Yo.
Lots of scrap on this thing today.
Dude, put the whole thing in the scrap yard. Scrap bin, bro.
Oh, whoa. Pop those sway bar links out right there.
I'll pop you out.
Shut your mouth. We'll cut them in half. I don't give a shit.
Cut you in half.
And then
It's just got a little hole at the end.
it's a vent.
Don't be venting. A vent that? No. Yo, what is that? Is that silicone?
Sure is.
You're an idiot. You know what? You couldn't have used Permatex or something?
That wasn't an option.
That wasn't an option, so I just used 13 tubes of silicone.
Put leaking up here. No, that's leaking here.
My water.
All right, here.
Lick it.
The axle is loose
Come
from
here,
under the
man.
truck. Bolts are out, leaf spring bolts, U-bolts, and our shock mount bolts are out. I just gotta yeet these shocks on out of here.
See, don't break the shocks. Those are good shocks.
Shit.
$50, I know what I got. Yeah, must be. I tell you what the problem is right now.
Whoa. So we got pretty much everything off here. We got this little.
I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah.
Yo, what the hell is this? A 10?
Yes. Put it on there. Oh yeah.
Maybe like a 12 or 13, 14, 15?
Yeah. Hey, you already got the 12.
Well,
Yeah. No, I need a standard. Let me go get a
Alright,
standard.
no, give me the sawzall. Sawzall's the standard here. Yo, don't do that. Or should we just be a good person and
Just cut it off!
Oh hell, I forgot. We got brake fluid in this thing.
What should we get? A bucket.
Alright, we should be good to lift this old gal up. Alright, see what happens. Up and away. Any day now. Yes. I don't give a shit. Alright, hold on, we got a parking brake. Hold on, we got a parking brake. Hold on. Alright, keep going. Yo, what's that thing still hooked? Whoa! What do we got going on here? Oh, this old gal won't push. Ah! Yo! Get out of there. Yeah, here, hold it. Alright, so we set the back down. Now we can come over to the front, lift the front end up, pull that axle out. Let's get the front pole, get this plow mount off too. Yo! Do a burnout. Gonna do it the right way now, son. Gonna do it the right way. Bring them chains on over. Yo! Grab with 9.5. Well, fucking half a finger, son, huh? Well, I know what the hell I'm doing around here.
Silicone didn't work very well. Or is it coming out up
It's
here?
coming out of the,
Oh.
the pinion seal here.
I see.
I didn't put a new one on.
Well, what do we got going on over here?
Well, it's hovering. It's got half an axle.
Half an axle. It's the only one in it.
Chains at the back.
What's he doing?
Hey!
He's got all the weeds.
He got the plow on
Oh,
it.
yeah, he's got the plow. Let's go see what he's doing. Let's go see what he's doing.
Yeah, I was like, I'm kind of stuck here now, boy. Yo! He's running the plow all the way up. Yo, watch out, dude.
Yo.
Cracking up in here, you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's do that again. Hold on. Do that again.
Don't go. Woo. It did right now, yo!
Dude, what if I drop my phone in there?
It's
gone.
So I know these shocks here are usually a pain in the ass, especially if they're old. You can never get this top bolt off because this thing always spins. So the easiest way I've always found to take these off is just grab this motherfucker. Just keep bending.
Just keep bending.
Boom.
Clean off.
Deinstalled.
That's not even a word. Deinstall.
One more. We got the coil springs out. Might as well just unhook that from the caliper.
Hold on.
Yo, we might get it.
Yo, it's already
I
rubbed.
think those is 14.
Ain't no good. It's already
Oh,
rubbed.
she rubbing, bro.
She rubbed.
She rubbing.
Ain't no good no more.
Ain't no good. This thing, the front axle is easier than the rear.
Yo.
Can't be a weenie with this kind of shit. Just like that. Alright.
Hire Clayton Freed for all your shock replacements.
Correct. 100% professional. Scrap.
Okay.
Actually, okay.
Okay.
Actually, I think that's the first one I've seen that actually still has that in there.
What?
This.
What is that?
Usually those are all rusted out and
Oh, I see.
gone.
Don't. Yo, don't do that.
Alright, so now the front axle is out. We're in the old cat. Got that guy, the old Doosan, the old Devlon, Doosan, Duvlon. Picking up on the back. Now we're gonna spaceship this thing down the road. Alright, so we got these axles out. We got this old gal sitting back here, and there she is. We gotta do a lot of work with this old gal. She needs some work. Axles got sold. Don't need these pieces of junk, we're keeping the tires. Those are good burnout tires, as you can tell. Very good burnout tires. But this old gal, these axles here are gonna be way too small for what we're gonna be using. We need some Axle Tech 4000s. I don't know what those are. Then you don't know what we're doing with this thing. If you guys do know what this is, an Axle Tech 4000s, then you've got a pretty good idea of what this old gal's gonna be. So yeah, if y'all know what we're doing, let me know down in the comments and stuff. We'll see you all in the next one.